Namaste, welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you interested in learning Kannada or are you struggling to talk Kannada? In this channel, we'll explore the basics of Kannada from small words to conversations. Join me as we start this exciting journey and let's learn Kannada together. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Hello, today is day 2 of Kannada learning session, and if you have missed the day 1 tutorial, the link will be in the description and the video will be in our channel. Please check it out. Today we'll be learning some of the words and sentences as well. Today's first topic is greetings. Greetings is a basic thing in all the languages. We need to learn greetings in all the languages. It is most important. And let's start with hi. Hi, namaskara. In Kannada, namaskara. Good morning. Shubhodaya. Shubhodayagalu. Good night. Shubha Ratri. Good night. Shubha Ratri. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. All the best. ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. Welcome. ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. And the sentences for this are all the best for your exam. In Kannada, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. As we have already learnt in the day 1 video, ನಿಮ್ಮ is nothing but you, your. Nimma is your. Pariksha is exam. And Shubhavagali is all the best. Okay. And the sentence 2 is welcome to my home. Welcome to my home. Namma. My means Namma. It is already said in day 1 video. Manege. Mane is nothing but home or house. Suswagata. Suswagata is welcome. In this way we can use the greetings, and let's go to the next topic. Now let's talk about the time related words. Okay. Time. Samaya. Today. Ivattu. Today. Ivattu. Tomorrow. Naale. Tomorrow. Naale. Yesterday. Ninne. Hours. Gante. Minutes, ನಿಮಿಷ. ಡೇ, ದಿನ. ವೀಕ್, ವಾರ. ಮಂತ್, ತಿಂಗಳು. ಮಂತ್, ತಿಂಗಳು. ಇಯರ್, ವರ್ಷ. ಇಯರ್ಸ್, ವರ್ಷಗಳು. ಓಕೆ. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ. ನೈಟ್, ರಾತ್ರಿ. ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಯರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಬೋರ್ನ್? ನೀನು ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೀಯಾ? ನೀನು ಈಸ್ ಯು. ಯಾವ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್. ವರ್ಷ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್. ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೀಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಬೋರ್ನ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡೂ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್? ನಿನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ಬೇಕು? ಸಮಯ ಈಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್. ನಿನಗೆ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್. The third sentence is I will complete by tomorrow morning 6 o'clock. In Kannada we can say it as ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 6 is 6 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು is I. ನಾಳೆ is tomorrow. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ is morning. 6 is 6. ಗಂಟೆ means hour. 6 o'clock. Okay. Mugustene is complete. I will complete like that. In this slide, we are going to learn some more words which are useful. And the first word is sorry. Kshamisi. Kshamisi or mannisi. Anything you can use. Help. Sahaya. Whenever. When is yavaga. And whenever is yavagaladaru. Okay. Whatever. Yenadaru. What is yenu. Yenadaru. Whatever is yenadaru. What for. Yavudakke. Okay. Then. ನಂತರ, then ನಂತರ. Many, ಅನೇಕ, many, ಅನೇಕ. Everywhere, ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ. Nowhere, ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. No is ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. More, ಹೆಚ್ಚು. And few sentences I would like to say. Ask him help. Him is ಅವನು, ಅವನ ಸಹಾಯ ಕೇಳು. Ask is ಕೇಳು, ಸಹಾಯ is help. It is everywhere. It is ಇದು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ is everywhere. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಇದೆ. It is everywhere. Okay. In this slide, the topic will be directions related words. Okay. First, east. East means purva. West, pachima. North, uttara. South, dakshina. Okay. North is uttara, south is dakshina. Dakshina, sorry. And right side, balagade. Left side, edagade. Side is gade and right is bala. Balagade we'll call. Edagade. Left side is edagade. Front, ಮುಂದೆ. ಮುಂದೆಗಡೆ. Front side means ಮುಂದೆಗಡೆ. Back. Back means ಹಿಂದೆ. ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ, like that. Back side, ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ. This side, ಈ ಕಡೆ. That side, ಆ ಕಡೆ. And which side? Which is ಯಾವುದು, ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ. Like that. And the sentences will be, he is there in front of you. He is there in front of you. In Kannada, ಅವನು ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆಯೇ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನು ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆಯೇ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನು is he. ನಿನ್ನ, ನಿನ್ನ is you. ಮುಂದೆ, ಮುಂದೆ is front. ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, is there. Okay. Is there. ಇದ್ದಾನೆ is there. Okay. Go left side and see front. In Kannada is ಎಡಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡು. ನೋಡು is see. ಎಡಗಡೆ is left side. ಹೋಗು. ಹೋಗು is go. Okay. ಮುಂದೆ, ಮುಂದೆ is front. And the next sentence will be, which side she went. Which side she went. In Kannada, ಅವಳು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು is she. ಯಾವ means which. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, went. Okay. She went this side. ಅವಳು ಈ ಕಡೆ. This is e. This side is ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ means went. And ಹೋಗು is nothing but ಹೋಗು, ಹೋಗಿ, ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Those are the past tense, present tense and future tense. We'll discuss in the further coming videos. And we will also discuss verbs in the next video, and past, present, future in the upcoming video, and like maybe in the day 4. More words. Please, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. Good, ಉತ್ತಮ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ. Bad, ಕೆಟ್ಟ, ಕೆಟ್ಟ. Food, ಆಹಾರ. Water, ನೀರು. Happy, ಸಂತೋಷ. Sad, ದುಃಖ. House, ಮನೆ. And the sentences here are the first sentence. Please go to your house. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು is please, ನಿಮ್ಮ is your, ಮನೆ is house, ಹೋಗಿ is go. Second, it is good to drink water. ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯುವುದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ನೀರು is water, ಕುಡಿ is drink, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ is good. Okay, we can frame the sentences with the given words like this. I am very happy. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು is I am, very is ತುಂಬಾ, happy is ಸಂತೋಷ. That's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the class, have learned some words and sentences. Thank you for watching the video. And once again, I'd like to say don't say ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, I don't know Kannada. Please just say I know little Kannada because you have learnt few words and sentences in this video. And stay updated. I'll be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.